My name is Doug Ferguson. I'm a senior audit manager here in the Central Region. And September 1, I will have 41 years of service with the Auditor State's Office. I'm always trying to train or improve someone, and obviously when I get that opportunity to serve as a mentor or a leader of anyone, I take it very seriously. But the Fellows program is something that was kind of thrown out there 2 or 3 years ago. The more I got into it, the more interesting and ideas would come. We want to connect what the program's objectives are to what Auditor Faber wants out of the program. And I'm kind of that catalyst in between both to make sure that those goals are being accomplished. After you spend 6 to 7, 8 weeks with these kids, and you get to know them. You get to know their background. You get to know their interests. You get to know what they're trying to achieve in the future. And they almost become like part of my kids. And it's one of those things as a mentor, I want to be part of that program. Even after they leave, they can call me for anything. They can call me while they're on vacation or I'm on vacation. And then we've even taken our individual relationships to a completely another level. These are individuals, even though we hired them for the program, if they were with my regular audit team, I would hire them all. All 4 individuals I had this year was on full ride scholarship. And we let them know that this program is kind of here to build that. And then we just make it diverse in everything we do. It's just the opportunity to serve the organization, to serve Auditor Faber and his group that put the trust in me. And that's where I feel good. Unbelievable that someone or a number of individuals saw what I was trying to do that raised that level of commitment to be even considered as an employee of the year. I never wanted the individual achievements. What I wanted was the kids to leave here with some objectives that they met, with a mentor that they know they could rely on from now on, not just through the program. At the end of the day, it's one of those things, it's sort of a win-win for myself. It doesn't even seem like I'm coming to work.